Ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial video, we're going to be going through organization, login, or just registration. So once again, just similar to the student, you can see either you can access it through here on the initial landing page or right up in here. If you hover over login/sign up, you will go ahead and see organization. We'll click through that. It'll take you to the login and registration page. You'll fill out your first name, last name, the company name, your email, your company email, password, the industry that you're in. We've compiled a list of just about all industries that it will fit your company. If your industry is outside of this list, please do let us know, and we'd be more than happy to have that added in right away. And your location, this is integrated with Google Maps, so you'll see if you just start typing in your location, boom, it'll pull it up and it'll format properly. So go ahead and utilize that. Read the terms of service and the privacy policy, of course, before clicking that you have read and agreed. And then when you select that, go ahead and create your company profile, or I'm sorry, your company user. I've obviously created a few different ones myself, so we're just going to go ahead and use our primary one. There we go. We'll log ourselves in, and it should take me immediately to the profile. I've already filled all this out. In our next video, we will go through filling out the profile for the organization. So again, as an organization, once you've registered, you're going to be immediately brought to your account, and then from there, you'll go ahead and fill out the rest of it. So thank you for watching this video on organizations getting registered.